Hey guys, Jaron Craig here and welcome back to Cryptology. In today's episode we're going to show you how to buy Pink Panda token in your Trust wallet. Let's get started. Alright guys, so first of all, in your Trust wallet you'll want to ensure that you have some smart chain BNB. You get that by going to Binance US and purchasing regular BNB and transferring it to this wallet, then converting it over to Smart Chain by using this tool. Or you can also buy the BNB directly within the wallet by clicking this buy button. I have a video for Binance US I'll drop in the comments if you need some extra details. So without further ado, we'll go over to our Safari since I'm using this on iOS. If you have an Android, you can use the browser right in your Trust wallet. But I'm going to go to pancakeswap.finance and click connect to wallet. Go to the wallet connect, select trust, open in trust wallet, and now the wallet will come up and give you the option to connect. So connect it. Now just go back to the browser. Now you just go back to PancakeSwap after it's linked. You'll see that your contract address is up in the top right corner. Go to trade, then exchange. Now type in the Pink Panda contract address, which you can get that from the Telegram or the website. Make sure it's the right one. Import it. Then go over to this little toggle here. Put in between 11 and 13% slippage. We'll put 12. Put in the desired amount. Then click swap. Confirm swap. Open your Trust wallet again. That's where you'll confirm the transaction. Click the little gear. Bump the gas price up to 10. It usually works a little better because Pancake's usually congested. Now the transaction has submitted. Now it looks like the contract is complete. Let's go back and double check. And we have successfully purchased our Pink Panda using the Trust wallet. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a wonderful day.